My heart just got stuck between these loops.
Hey guys, it's Chris and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. We really haven't made a video in like what, almost half a year. It's crazy. Yeah, sorry, I've been at school, pretty busy, but yeah, we could do a little more mods here and there, but yeah, I've been busy with school. I'm so sorry. So I just wanted to make this video to address a small issue that I found. Many of you might experience it, hopefully not, but here in San Diego, even with tinted windows and like the auto fan on whenever you're not here, it still gets pretty hot, especially with leather seats. So I always try to find a tree to park under, and noticing that there's a lot of squirrels here too, but we'll get into that in a second. So as you know, I'm in San Diego and on my way to LA to visit my parents. My AC was not working at all. I usually keep it at the first setting, which is like the lowest setting, and it gives decent amount of cold air. But yeah, en route to LA, nothing was working. Every indicator was working, but there's no air coming in, even on max setting. But yeah, initially maybe a few seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, it gives you air and then it just cuts out. But yeah, it was kind of annoying. So hopefully you guys don't get this same problem that I got, but I got a solution for you guys, something easy. Hopefully this will fix any AC problems in your F30. Yeah, so your AC intake, not your AC filter, which is under the passenger seat, can be clogged with leaves. And I've also seen a lot of squirrels running around, so they may be like chilling in your engine bay, maybe like putting leaves in there as well to like keep warm during the night. I don't know, but yeah, so we'll try to fix that. I'll show you how to fix it. Also, one of our bulbs for our daytime running light stopped working, so yeah, we got another set of our LED lights from JDM Toy, but we got this from Amazon. I'll link the product down there. And yeah, actually this lasted me like almost 2 years for that one bulb. I don't know why the other one died and the other one hasn't, but we're gonna replace one first because one is still good, but it's always good to replace both. My side is still good, it's still really bright. It's like I put it on yesterday, but the other one died. Yeah, see you guys in a second. Oh wow, that's pretty dusty. Okay, let's see what we got. So this is where your cabin air intake is. As you can see, I've cleaned it out. Not really, but there's a lot of stuff here and here. All of these have to go. All of these have to go. Also, this little latch right here for me is broken, so it gives me access to down there. I don't know, let's see. Down there, yeah. So yeah, that's one of the areas you need to clean out, and also underneath there. Usually there's like stash of leaves down there. If you can find him, if you can reach him, take him out. Yeah. Alright guys, so the next step is you want to take those nuts. Mine's broken, as you already know. I don't know why, it's probably been like that forever. Take it out, open it, and then open the cabin air intake, which is down there. Just try to clear everything out, all the leaves and stuff. I got a couple more on that side, but yeah, we'll clean those out and the AC should start running again. Alright, so we're gonna open this up and install it. There's no trash can around. Alright, let's do this. Trying not to touch the LED bulbs and the connection. Will burn out your bulb a lot faster. Alright guys, if you're wondering how to change your daytime running light, we have made a video about that and we will link it down in the description, but it's pretty easy. You just take your bulb, hold it at the base, pull it out just like so. Take your old one, just like that. Alright, that should be good. And put it back in. Make sure the lines are on the upside. Push it out. Make sure it clicks. If it clicks, it should be good to go. Now we're just gonna close the cover. No. Alright. Yeah, that should be it. Let's see if it works. Oh, nice. All right. So it works. Everything should be good to go. It's not flickering in person, it's just in the video because of the frames per second, but yeah, that should be it. Pretty easy. Yeah. Let's test out the AC, see if it works. Hey guys, I'm so forgetful. I need a script. I didn't show you the before and after. Yeah, here, let's test out the AC. We cleaned the AC intake, not the filter, and see if it works. So we have the first setting. I can't rotate you on the gimbal. Yeah, cool. Let's close the windows because all the noises. Yeah, I can feel it. You can also hear that it's working because if I turn it off, you're gonna hear the engine like chill. You hear that? You hear that? And then let's try max. Yeah, everything works. Back to preset where I have it. Yeah, it feels really good. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this gives you some insight if you have any problems with your AC. If it's blowing air for like a few seconds and it's just slowing down, just make sure you check the cabin air intake. that was really the only problem for me. Hopefully that's the only problem for you, because it's a really easy fix and you don't have to pay anyone for it. And yeah, tomorrow we're getting the carbon fiber door handles, but we can't get to it till next weekend. So I'll see you guys next weekend, and thanks for watching.